Fabulous 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-car garage home with office, extra room, and a workshop. Located in South Tyler on a corner lot, this home is updated and move-in ready. Soaring ceilings, wood floors, and gorgeous gray tones welcome you into this lovely home with over 3,500 square feet. The 2 living areas, one with a wood-burning fireplace, are perfect for gatherings. The kitchen has been totally updated with quartz countertops, marble accented backsplash, and black stainless appliances. The breakfast room and bar seating in addition to the formal dining provides plenty of seating space. The utility room is conveniently located next to the kitchen and is complete with a pantry, organizational mud area, and extra closets. The generous master bedroom with ensuite bath has double vanity, separate tub and shower, separate walk-in closets, and a separate water closet. 2 guest rooms share a full hall bath and allow ample room for family or guests. The 4th room, currently used as a playroom, could be a bedroom, no window. There is also an office. So much flexibility with this floor plan and an abundance of storage. Outside, enjoy the fully fenced backyard from the large covered back porch. Plus, there is a heated and cooled workshop adjacent to the garage. This home has so much to offer. Special financing available. Come see. Come buy.